Hi there. Are you in the mood for a delicious khichdi? It's one of my favorites. This khichdi or khichuri in Bengali is nutritious, filling, and enjoyed by kids too. You'll be able to make this one pot meal a special on your menu. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? Let's dry roast the moong dal or lentils. So I have been frying this for about 3 minutes now and it's almost done. Can you see the slight change in color? I'll turn off the heat and take this out. Chop the vegetables into large chunks and wash them well. I have blanched the cauliflower. Fry the potatoes till they get a light color on them. Get them out. Next, the cauliflower. The aim is to just get a light color on them, so keep the heat high. That's done in no time. Wash and drain the rice. Wash the roasted lentils, the moong dal, and drain it. You can use the same oil in which you fried the vegetables to make the khichdi. Add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, some bay leaves, cinnamon, and a red chili. Once the oil is tempered, add in the moong dal or the lentils. Then the rice. Keep the heat low. You could cook the khichdi in mustard oil, or you could use some ghee, clarified butter. So on low heat, roast the rice and lentils till they turn glossy. Now add in a slit green chili or two if you like, some tomatoes and the carrots, a teaspoon of ginger paste, pinch of hing, asafoetida, coriander powder, heaped teaspoon, cumin powder, haldi, turmeric powder, and salt. Cook this for a couple of more minutes. So the tomatoes have started wilting and getting soft and mushy. Let's add in the potatoes. Mix it. Time to add in the hot water. So the water is twice the amount of rice and dal, lentils. Bring that to a boil. Add in a teaspoon of sugar and adjust the seasoning. This is a complete one pot meal and I'm making it a vegan recipe. That's why I'm not using ghee. Once that has come to a complete boil, cover it, lower the heat and let it cook. So I'm checking after 3 minutes. You can already see that the grains of rice have become longer. That's coming along well. Time to add in the green peas. I'm using the frozen ones, and the cauliflower. Just push them in. So this is a trick that I learned from my mother-in-law. The cauliflowers will remain intact. Sprinkle some garam masala powder. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. Some green chilies. Cover and cook till it's done. So that has been simmering on low heat for about 7 minutes now, and I did toss it up once. That looks done to me. So I'll turn off the heat, cover it, and let it rest for about 5 minutes. So I'll just fluff it up one more time. That's ready to serve. To finish it off, you could drizzle some ghee on top. This is optional. Serve it hot with a papad on the side. Enjoy!